Installing inside mount zebra shades is easier than you think. Today, I'll show you how to install your SenseBlind's motorized zebra shades. Here's what you'll need: a metal tape measure, pencil, a flathead screwdriver, and a drill with a 5/64" drill bit. Inside the box, you'll find the shade itself, along with the mounting hardware and brackets. Depending on type of shades you ordered, the pieces you have may be a little bit different. If your shade comes with a band around the middle, don't remove it until the installation is complete. Start by marking 2 to 4 inches in from both ends of the window frame. This is where the brackets will go. Make sure both marks are level and aligned. Next, hold the brackets at your marked spots. Use a pencil to mark where the screw holes will go. Pre-drill holes using the 5/64" bit. Start by loosely attaching the brackets so you can adjust and level them, then tighten the screws once everything is aligned. Now, let's mount the cassette. There's a groove at the top of the cassette. That's where it will snap into the brackets. Hold the cassette with the shade facing toward you. Hook the top lip onto the brackets first. Then, push the bottom front of the cassette back toward the wall until it clicks into place. And that's it. Your zebra shades are installed and ready to use. Now, just test your shades to make sure everything works properly. To take the shade down, push it straight back with steady pressure until it clicks free. To charge the battery, simply plug the USB charging cable into the charging port. We hope you enjoy your brand new shades from SenseBlinds. If you have any questions, check out our installation guide on senseblinds.com, or just give us a call.